In other developments, Jigawa State has officially joined the League of States with a specialized medical university following the National Universities Commission NUC's recognition of the Jigawa State University of Medical and Allied Sciences major. The development is expected to boost medical education and strengthen healthcare manpower in Nigeria. Our correspondent, Miriam Inakimion, completes the report.
The National Universities Commission (NUC) has presented the operational license to the Jigawa State University of Medical and Allied Sciences (MAGIA). The Executive Secretary of the Commission, Professor Abdullahi Ribadu, handed over the license to Jigawa State Governor Umar Lamadi during a recognition ceremony held in Abuja. Professor Ribadu described the institution as the first privately owned university in Nigeria to be acquired by a state government and converted into a public university. He said the specialized institution will play a significant role in addressing the shortage of healthcare professionals, adding that the Commission will notify all relevant regulatory agencies of the university's new status. He said the recognition brings the total number of universities in Nigeria to 328, with the Jigawa State University of Medical and Allied Sciences becoming the country's 70th state-owned university.
In the process, to ensure the transition was carried out in accordance with the existing guidelines. I hope this will serve as a useful example should similar cases arise in the future. Following today's recognition, the Commission will formally notify JAM, TED Fund, NYSC, and NEL Fund and other relevant agencies so that the university's new legal status within the Nigerian university system is reflected in their records. So the students can now benefit from NEL Fund being in a public university, unlike before.
Governor Umar Lamadi said the state government acquired the former private university to expand access to medical education and reduce the financial burden of sponsoring students to study medicine outside the state and the country. He expressed confidence that the institution will produce the skilled healthcare workforce required to improve healthcare delivery in Jigawa State and across Nigeria. Also speaking, the Minister of State for Education, Professor Suwaiba Ahmad, described the recognition as a major milestone in strengthening medical education and increasing the nation's healthcare manpower.
Now, looking at the situation on ground, and also looking at what, as a government, we are spending in terms of training medical personnel, not only in this country, but also outside this country. Currently, we have close to 200 students studying medicine outside this country. And they are all being sponsored by the state government. So this we felt we need to do something to ensure that we have a homegrown system that will take care of our needs. The healthcare system in this country, with the increasing number of hospitals and primary healthcare in each of the political wards, and the need to have medical personnel that will take care of those hospitals.
Sir, we are all aware that, as I mentioned earlier, we have an acute shortage of workers. With our growing population and increasing burden of diseases, the need to expand access to quality training of doctors, nurses, pharmacists, laboratory scientists, and other allied health professionals have never been more urgent. The establishment of this specialized university is therefore timely and strategic.
The Jigawa State University of Medical and Allied Sciences is expected to commence additional medical and allied health programs after fulfilling the National Universities Commission resource verification requirements. The recognition marks another milestone in Nigeria's expanding university system and reflects growing effort to improve access to quality medical education while addressing the country's critical healthcare workforce needs. From Abuja, Miriam Inakimion, MITV Plus News.